In aromatic compound, if side chain is present along with main chain, then fragmentation pattern becomes slightly different from that of benzene. Now, when electron is bombarded on this compound, as a result of electron bombardment, again electron will be removed from any double bond position. After removal of electron, again here beta cleavage occur. As occur in alkene, beta bond will cleave homolytically by shifting one electron here, and this electron which was produced after removal of one electron, it is shifted here. As a result, a double bond is generated here, and this positive charge, it comes on this carbon. This radical, it is separated here. Now this double bond, it is shifted toward chain, and positive charge, it is shifted on this carbon. Meaning double bond, it is shifted on this position. Now positive charge is on this carbon. Now at this stage, ring attack occur on this positively charged carbon. Now this arrow which is starting from center, it is showing ring attack. As a result of ring attack, this carbon become part of ring. Now it is 6-membered ring, and after ring attack, it become a 7-membered ring. I'm showing hydrogen to show that here is deficiency of one hydrogen, because here a functional group is attached, R group is attached, so no carbon and no hydrogen is there. So this carbon, it is shown here. Now due to deficiency, positive charge is now on this carbon, and all other carbons are like this. Now at this stage, 1,2 hydrogen shift occur. Hydrogen shift from this position to this carbon. This is called 1,2 hydrogen shift. After 1,2 hydrogen shift, hydrogen come here along with 2 electron, because this carbon is already electron deficient. So with 2 electron, hydrogen is shifted here. Now deficiency, it is transferred on this carbon. So positive charge appear on this carbon. Now this structure is 7-membered ring with positive charge which is obtained. It is called tropylium ion. This tropylium ion have resonance in positive charge, mean positive charge resonate over whole ring. When double bond, it is shifted here, positive charge come on this carbon. When double bond shifted here, positive charge come on this carbon, and so on. So as a result, positive charge resonate on the whole structure. On this whole 7-membered ring, positive charge resonates. So tropylium ion is most stable ion in case of this type of compound, and base peak which is obtained at tropylium ion at 91 position. 91 is mass of tropylium ion. So aromatic compound with side chain give base peak of tropylium ion.